Hi, I'm Leah. I'm a salon owner in Basildon in Essex. Before I started the Systemise For Success program, I was a beauty therapist. I'd worked in my salon for 10 years before becoming the owner. Um, I joined the program and became the owner just before the pandemic. And I can honestly say that if it wasn't for the Systemise For Success program, I don't think I would have been able to carry my salon through the pandemic. Before I joined the program, my only concern was the money, financing it. But I remember from my first discovery call, I said this to the girl on the phone, and she told me that I was able to spread the cost over 10 months, which absolutely made it affordable and doable for me. And with hindsight, I would tell anyone that listens that it's actually, in my opinion, it's worth 10 times how much it costs. Since I joined the program, I've learned everything from the bottom upwards. I've learned how to manage staff, how to run payroll, how to implement effective marketing, which is what I'm currently implementing, and it's second to none. I've learned all about the finances, everything you can imagine. The only thing I would say to anyone considering joining the program is that it's worth its weight in gold, even just for the Facebook community that you become a part of. It's become like my third arm that I rely on, knowing that being able to talk to other salon owners that are in the same position as you, going through the same different hurdles and struggles, and having that support network is absolutely invaluable. I could not rate it more highly if I tried.